Good morning, my dear children. Get ready for class. We are doing simultaneous equations in two variables. They will give two equations in two variables x and y, mn, r, mn, ab, pq, any two letters. We have to find the values of variables. In this problem, generally, we are most are x and y. Solve xy by x plus y is equal to 6 by 5, first equation, and second equation xy by y minus x is equal to 6, second. See how to solve it. Equations are given in a different way. We are doing today this method. First of all, cross multiply. So it is given in fractions form, and one is a product form, and the sum is a difference. Numerator is product form. So let us convert into simplest form. First equation, cross multiply. Take first number 1. xy by x plus y is equal to 6 by 5. Cross multiply cross multiplying 6 of x plus y is equal to 5xy. This is 6x plus 6y is equal to 5xy. We are always in general simple quadratic equation. Left side x and y are variables, right side only constant. But here xy is there. So let us do divide this both sides by xy. Making the RHS, making this RHS 5xy is there. So to make it a constant number 5, divide both sides by xy. Dividing both sides by xy. Here 6x by xy plus 6y by xy is equal to 5xy by xy. Here xx cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. So this is 6 by y plus 6 by x. 6 by x is equal to 5, equation 3. And similarly, second equation divided by cross multiply first. Second equation number 2, xy by y minus x is equal to 6, nothing means 1. Cross multiplying 6 of y minus x is equal to xy. 6y minus 6x is equal to xy. Cross multiplying, we are getting this much. Dividing both sides by xy. 6y by xy minus 6x by xy is equal to xy by xy. Here y cancel, x cancel, xy cancel. So we get here 6 by x minus 6 by y is equal to 1. Say this is fourth equation. And we can write this as r 6 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 5. Equation 3, this is equation 4. And afterwards, yes, terms are same. Terms are same. So we can write 6 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 5. 6. Now, third equation. When the variables are in denominator, let us take 1 by x is a. Other variables other than x and y, we can take any letter a, and 1 by y is equal to b. Then 3 comma 4, 3 and 4 equations. 3 and 4 equations written as third equation. 6a plus 6b is equal to 5. 6a minus 6b is equal to 1. Here adding, cancel. 12a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2. Substitute a value in equation 3. Substitute a value. Now say this is 5, this is 6. Written as solve. Substitute a value in equation 5. In equation 5. What is 5 here? 6a plus 6b is equal to 5. And a value is half. So 6 into half plus 6b is equal to 5. 6b, this is 2 1s are 2 3s are. 6b is equal to 5 minus 3. 6b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. But we suppose, a equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. A value 1 by 2, b value 1 by 3, and b is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. That implies x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Therefore, x value 2, y value 3. To substitute in original equations, you will get same answer. X value 2, y value 3. X into 3, 2 into 3, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. In this also. X into 3 into 3, 6. Okay. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 6. So, like that we can check the values also. X equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Here. And here a values, in the middle a value is half, b value is 1 by 3. We suppose a value is 1 by x b value is 1 by y. So then the problem once again, xy by x plus y is equal to 6 by 5, xy by y minus x is equal to 6. These are the equations not in simple form. Simple equations means x and y variables are in the left side, the right side are only constant. So there is possibility to convert these given equations into simple equations. First of all, take the first equation. Xy by x plus y is equal to 6 by y. Cross multiply. 6 of x plus y is equal to x. 6x plus 6y is equal to 5x. See, this is the variables are in right hand. In simple equations, only x and y are in left side, only constant in the right side. But your side x, y is there. They are in two form. So let us divide both sides by x, y. We are dividing both sides by x, y. Dividing by both sides x, y, what we are getting here up to, from here I started. 6x by xy, 6y by xy, 5xy xy. Here x cancelled 6 by y, here y cancelled 6 by x is equal to 5. Or we can write 6 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 5. Third equation. And similarly, second equation also same. Cross multiplying and dividing both sides by xy. We are getting a new equation like this: 6 by x minus 6 by y is equal to 1. Variables are in denominator, so it is difficult to solve. So easy way, let 1 by x is a and 1 by y is b. To take any other letters except xy, then 3 and 4 equations becomes 6a. What is third equation? Third equation, 6 by a is 6a plus 6b is equal to 5, and 6a minus 6b is equal to 1. We have taken 1 by y as b and 1 by x as a. So 6a minus 6b. Solve. In solution, plus b minus b are there. Plus 6b minus 6b cancel. So 12a is equal to 6, adding a equal to 6 by 12. And this substitute a value in equation 3. This is equation 3. Equation we say this equation 3. In equation 3, 6a plus 6b. For the third equation, we call this is 5. X correct, 5 only. 5. 6a plus 6b is 5. But a value is 1 by 2. 2 1 are 2 3 are. Plus 3 will go that side as minus. 5 minus 3. 6b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 by 6. That is 1 by 3. A value is 1 by 2. B value is 1 by 3. But we suppose a as 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2. That implies numerators are same. The denominators x is equal to 2. Similarly, here also 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3, y value is 3. So x is equal to 2, y equal to 3. Like that we have to do. Such problems are given in exercise problems to do. The problem number given 17. Practice problem. Solve 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Solve. This is for your practice. Very simple. First of all, you divide both sides by xy. By xy, by xy, by xy. Second equation also divide both sides by xy. By xy, by xy, by xy. Then you will get the same type. Afterwards, you take 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Then solve. Try to get the answer. Solve it.